again see you online, dear audience, ladies and gentlemen around the world. Welcome to the Intelligent Asia 2020. We are now live in the Nangang Exhibition Hall to see more exhibition about the Intelligent Asia. I am seeing most of people understand that 2020 is a very challenging year, especially on the first half year. A lot of companies suffer from this pandemic. A lot of exhibition, conference, and a very wonderful chance for everybody join together have been locked down or been postponed. But Taiwan is a very successful country and area to put those virus outside of this country. So in Taiwan, we still have a normal life, but adjust the challenge right here in the exhibition, also have a new way to adapt. For example, in the Intelligent Asia this time, we conclude and integrate 3 different ways, including the on-site exhibition, online exhibition, and on-air exclusive interview with the Taiwanese company. So right here, right now, we have a very wonderful company called the company right here called Touche Solutions, which is company focused on the very state-of-the-art technology and new concept generation. I learned from them, but I want to introduce the guest next to me, who is the CEO, Andrew Liu, to introduce them for you. So, but before we bring those information to you, how about say hello to our audience? Hello.
Okay. Hello everyone, I'm Andrew from Touche Solutions. Yeah, nice to meet everybody on air.
Okay, well, welcome to join this interview, Andrew.
Thank you.
Well, I have passed over the booth right here. Yes. I saw a very beautiful robotic arm in your booth, and I cannot resist to touch them. It's very wonderful, smooth, and the surface. Okay, yeah. But before we go to the big product itself, how about the company? Would you like to say a few words to introduce the background and the profile to our audience?
Okay, no problem. Touche Solution is a technology-based company, and we focus on to provide the tactile sensing technology to the world. Yeah, and just think about that. In the future, the robots will be just, you can see the robots everywhere and every day. And at that time, they will have the sense of touch. I think it is definitely, no doubt. Yeah. And Touche Solution is making the tactile sensing technology possible on robotics. That's our goal. Yeah. And so far, the industrial robots are our focus. We already co-work with the global robot makers like ABB, Fanuc, Kawasaki, Epson, and other robot makers. Yeah, that's what we do right now.
All right, those are about the company. So this company is a domestic Taiwanese company, owned by the scientists before, but now people join together to make things, generate things.
Exactly. Most of our members are engineers.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this time, this exhibition this year, in your booth, you brought a state-of-the-art product, but we have a very wonderful concept you want to introduce for us. So what is it?
Okay. The most important concept that we want to introduce to the audience is we call it the industrial cobot. Yeah. Okay. And as we know, the human-robot collaboration is a big trend in the automation industry. Yeah, and that means that in the automation industry, in the factory, we want the human and the robots can co-work side by side. Yeah, and please
we can watch the
switch
slide
to the slide. Yeah. Okay. So okay, first the industrial cobots. That's what we want to provide to the world, to the market. And this time we launched our first product, TSkin, and fit the Kawasaki's robots. Okay, you can see that that's the Kawasaki's robots with our Touche Solutions TSkin. Yeah, and right now because the human-robot collaboration is getting more and more important, so a lot of the robot makers they start to making the so-called cobots, collaborative robots. Yeah, but for in our opinion is that for the traditional industrial robots, Touche Solutions we make a TSkin which can upgrade the traditional industrial robots into the safe cobots. Yeah, and you can see that here. Yeah, the style of our TSkin. Our TSkin can cover the whole industrial robots and on the surface, we can provide the tactile perception to a robot, or you may call it a collision detecting ability to a robot. Yeah. So when the robot hit someone or somebody touch the robot, it will stop immediately.
Oh yes.
Yeah, to protect the human and to protect the robot itself.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's very important because we want in the factory, in the manufacturing line, we want the human and the robot to work side by side.
Sure.
Yes.
And safety also very important.
Exactly.
Priority.
Okay.
Yes.
And next page, not just about the designers, we also care about the engineering. Yeah. We make a very marginalized design TSkin. So each piece of the TSkin will be connected with only one cable. So that's very easy to install and easy to switch. Yeah. And also the outside output is very easy to connect to the we call it the safety stop I/O of the robot itself. So it's very safe.
Yes.
Yeah. And about safety, all of our TSkin will pass the CE certification. It's a high standard, high safety level standard. Yeah. So all of the TSkin, we have the redundant safety design. Yeah. That means in each piece and its circuit, you have two dual system of the safety protection. Yeah. Sensor and the circuit.
Okay.
Yeah. And the most exciting thing is our TSkin allows the industrial robot to meet the very high level safety standard, which is set for the collaboration scenario. It should be very high standard, right? Yeah. But in the meantime, we also preserve the industrial robot's ability. For example, the high payload, long reach, the stability, and the accuracy. Yeah. So we combine the advantage of the industrial robots and the safety cobots. Yeah. And that's why we call it the industrial cobots. Yeah. So that's a new concept.
Okay.
And we believe that with our TSkin and the industrial cobots, I think more and more collaborative application will be created. Yeah, and that would be very great for the automation industry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure. So in the new era of the
Yes.
industrial 4.0, or in North America we call it smart factory.
Yes.
Now this can be displayed to introduce a lot of the distributor or the customer, your customer, right?
Yes.
So far with the state of the art, the modern products. So what are your key clients so far, or what is the next step for the product line or for the company?
Oh, that's a very good question.
Right.
First, of course, our major customers will be the end user, the factory owners, because they own the manufacturing line and they want to upgrade their manufacturing line into the automation line, product line. Yeah, so they need to install more robots, right? Yeah, but also the robot makers are also our customers or partners. Yeah, because robot makers, they make the robots and they sell the robots to all different kind of industries.
Sure.
Yeah, so they know who needs the robots, and their robots will not just how to say, it's designed to fit all kinds of demand. Yeah. So co-working with them, we can provide our solution to different kind of customer at once. Yeah. So both of them are very important for us.
Sure. So all the clients manufacture different kind of robot for their own clients, but the TSkin can be applied to different kind of the robot.
Exactly.
Providing safety for safety function.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So what's the next step for the company, or for the next step, the product plan?
Oh, okay. Now we already have a lot of partners. And with this, co-work with these partners, we are planning to expand our business to the global market.
Right.
Yeah, and our TSkin has received the CE product safety certification, and UL is also on the way. Yeah, and very soon we'll get a UL. So I think that our product will be very great and very safe for the global market.
Sure.
Yeah, and as we know, the human-robot collaboration demand is very strong in Europe or in US, even in Japan.
Yes.
Yeah, and I think our TSkin combined with these industrial robots is the best solution, best product to the market. Mm-hmm. Yes. So so in the future, we will keep working with these robot makers, our partners, and not only to provide our TSkin, safety TSkin to the market, but also we will create more certificate, more collaborative application and services to them. Yeah, and I think that we can create a new chapter for the whole automation industry.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much for this wonderful talk. Now we know more about the company and the product, and also the new concept elaborated by the CEO about the industrial Cobot. So for more information, then you can check on the site. I believe there's more information provided on there. But before we conclude this interview, Andrew, do you have anything to add to our audience?
I think, yeah, first, of course, if you have any more information you want to know, then you can always Google our company is Touche Solutions. Yeah, and also you can contact any one of our partners. Like now we already co-work with ABB, Fanuc, Epson, Kawasaki, Yamaha, and Kuka.
Right.
Yeah, you can get any information you need. Yeah. Okay. I think that's what I want to say.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, don't forget this Touche solution to increase your safety on your robots. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, once again, thank you very much for looking at these online interviews. This is day one of the Intelligent Asia, and it's also opening day. In the following 4 days, we will keep looking for a new company to introduce to you about the service, product, and the solutions from Taiwan. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.